It's Danny here from Conscious Calisthenics. So I wanted to make this tip video for you to teach you how to perform the perfect push-up, because I see so many people time and time again in the gym doing it completely wrong, and it can actually cause you injury, and yeah, it's just not going to help you gain the greatest benefits from the push-up, and it's helping you to grow your muscles. So this is a first video of a series of videos that I'm going to be making for beginner calisthenics moves that I recommend to anyone to help them get to a point of achieving harder things such as muscle ups, the human flag, full ab roll wheel outs, and other different exercises as well. So stay tuned for them in the future, and yeah, I'm going to explain to you in full depth now how you can perform the perfect push-up. But first off, I'm going to show you a lot of the mistakes that people make and where they're going wrong, so you can be aware of these and correct them in case you're doing them as well. So the most common mistake that I see in the gym that people are doing is flaring out their elbows, and this is not a correct way for performing a push-up, and this puts a lot of stress on your shoulders and it can cause you injuries. Do not be doing this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So if you watch my elbows, they're bending outwards like so. And this is not good at all. You do not want to be doing this. What you want to be doing is leaning your body slightly forward when you drop down and bending your elbows backwards. Yes, they will go slightly to the side as well, and this is going to be a lot harder performing the correct form, but you want to be doing it correctly, because yeah, otherwise you can cause some problems, as I've mentioned. So how you do it is very, very simple. Get your body in the push-up position and then bend down like so. And what I'd recommend is don't hit the floor, just stay slightly above the floor to get the full range of motion, so you can get the full muscle growth benefits that you're looking for. Don't bounce off the floor and lift up, because this is going to make it easier. Some people do this, so don't do that. So just like so. Down, down. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, stop at the bottom, so you've got more time under tension. You'll get even greater benefits from it. And what you want to be making sure of, that your whole body is straight, rather than it looking like some of the different things I'm going to show you now. So a lot of people, what they would do wrong is they would get in the push-up position and they're like down like this, or their bum's out like this, or even their head is down like that, or up like that. Your whole body wants to be straight, and you want your core to be tense, your legs are going to be tense, your whole arms as well, and just keep in that straight position. And you want your hand almost vertically underneath your shoulders. There are different push-up positions, such as a diamond push-up, wide push-up, and other different types of push-ups as well. So I will now show you how to do it correctly. And what I've got to mention as well is don't have your feet up here, have them out as far as you possibly can. And so put the hands underneath the shoulders almost vertically. If you want to target more of the triceps, do it closer. If you want to target more of the chest, do it wider. And yeah, make sure that that core is engaged, and bend the elbows slightly backwards and to the side rather than sideways, as I mentioned. And make sure that bum is down up, keep it in that vertical line, and keep your neck in line with your body as well. Like I said, not down like this, not down like that, like so, and go down. And one last thing that I will add is make sure you're doing the full range of motion, because you see a lot of people will go down like this, or they don't go literally all the way down, or they don't fully extend, they just go down and like slightly like this, and it's like, no, that is not the correct form of motion. Go all the way down, almost touch the floor, and come back up. It's as simple as that. And if you are someone that cannot do a full correct push-up because you find it too hard, then I will be making a progression video very soon, showing you how you can easily progress to doing a full push-up in the correct way, because not everyone else that starts out at calisthenics is going to be able to do this. But don't beat yourself up. We all had to start somewhere, and you can achieve it. You just got to be dedicated and driven, and you will get there. So just keep pushing forward, keep striving forward and stay tuned for that progression video coming very, very soon. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, leave them down below and I get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like the video, like it down below, give us a thumbs up. I love your feedback, so please do that by giving us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't mind either way which one you give me. And yeah, please share this video with anyone that is starting out with calisthenics and you think they need to see this video, so they can make sure they're doing it in the correct way so it works the best for them and stops them from getting injured. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below and make sure that you click the bell button next to it to get email notifications when new videos come, otherwise you will not be notified when they do come. So yeah, if you want a lot more videos telling you how you can progress to so many different types of calisthenics exercises and work up to harder exercises and how to actually perform the exercises with the correct form, how you can also increase your recovery time, how you can increase your strength, how you can also just improve your overall body and the muscle development that you're getting, and also strip down the body fat and so many other things as well that I'll be making videos on. So if that sounds like really good videos for you, then definitely hit that subscribe button down below, because there'll be a lot more videos coming on these subjects very, very soon, so stay tuned for them. So yeah, stay strong, stay energetic, and go and get those gains. Peace.